This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
I'm tired.
Me too.
Guys, what do you think? A plan for vacation?
Then what are your suggestions?
How about a tour in Baguio City?
No guys, it will take us 7 hours to get in there. How about Tagaytay?
We've been there last summer, trying to think of something new.
Jay, what about you? Huh?
Jai is in love!
Because of the test?
Yes. Guys, we need to go. We still have our next class.
Okay, let's go. Oh guys, I think we have an answer to our problem.
Can I see?
A treasure map.
Let's try it.
You could bring your own car, but commuting is much cheaper. Just prepare 150 pesos. It takes us 1.5 hours driving our way to Tanay Rizal. We have lots of food, so we prefer to rent a car, costing 200 pesos per hour. San Ildefonso Church is a 410 years old church. This church is greatly damaged due to natural calamities such as typhoons and strong earthquakes, and was completed in 1680, largely through the donation of the people so deeply devoted to the Purisima Concepcion. And the first Mass was celebrated on April 20, 1680. The church was declared a National Cultural Heritage by the National Commission for Culture and Arts, along with 25 other churches all over the Philippines.
bibingkang galapong, hindi malagkit. Ito bread pudding, tinapay. Ito kasaba cake. Ito maha.
There are lots of fresh foods out there. There are fishes, vegetables, and other stuff. What is good about it is they are so friendly. Just ask for direction to your way in Barangay Kutyo or
According to the map, our second place in the community at the top of the mountain.
Oh my God! There can be inipis there! Huh? Cockroach! I said inipis!
It's NPA, New People's Army.
It doesn't really mean that they are NPA because they are living at the top of the mountain.
And let's go!
Citizens in Tanay Rizal depends on the natural resources surrounding them, and most of their jobs are in relation with agricultural, poultry, and livestock. They sell it in the city in order for them to earn enough money so they can buy goods they need.
Here we are!
Now we're here. Let's ask where we can find our next clue.
What about the lady out there?
Excuse me, good afternoon. Did you know where is this cave in here?
Yes, is it over there? Come in, come in.
Across that entrance stand houses of the descendants of the cave's known discoverer, Milencio Piguing, a Spanish soldier. The cave was discovered in 1896 and it was used by Filipinos as a hideout and by the Japanese as a hospital. The caves were opposing parties during the war settled disputes, thus the name Kalinawan from the Filipino word linaw, or to make clear.
What should we do next?
Based on the map, we should follow a trail.
Guys, come here and see upstairs.
That may be the trail we're looking for.
Malaglag ako, no? E di na video ko yung sarili ko.
Oh, I think we're near.
Yes, I can understand the moment. And it's also getting more deep.
It was nice knowing there is a waterfall just near Manila, a place that somewhat promises relief from the busy street and lifestyle of Manila. What's best is, it's a public area. The government of Tanay only asks for minimal entrance fee, intended for the maintenance of the place. We believe they are doing a good job in keeping the place neat.
Are we allowed to swim in here? Isn't it dangerous?
Of course we can swim. It looks like it's not that deep.
Guys, listen. According to the map, the treasure is in the bottom of the water. So, what are we going to do?
We're going to swim under.
Then Alvin and I will go.
May ate ako sa Titan. Kapatid ko.
Swim natin.
We spent an hour searching but still we found nothing.
Oh my, look. There's a note at the back saying for playing purposes only.
A friendly reminder, before leaving the area, better to double check all your things and keep the place clean.
look, there is map flying outside. Wanna try?
Sure!